Ano ang pangalan mo po?
I'm Paul Palmario.
And how long have you lived here in Malabon po?
I live here in Malabon for 30 years.
What an accomplishment po. Okay, what is maganda about Malabon that you would like to share?
Dito sa Malabon, uh, maraming kabataan na nagkakaisa at saka maraming pwedeng pasyalan like Malabon Zoo. We have a lot of animals like tiger, like snake, and then like the monkey.
Okay, and what is some unique food here in Malabon?
Sorry, what?
Unique pagkain.
What's the unique food?
Opo.
From now on, the unique food here in Malabon like this Hungry-licious meals. We have Hungarian sausage, and then wood rice meal and sisig rice meal. And then we have Amaro smoothies. We have dragon fruit shake, and then mango, melon, and avocado.
So business mo po. Diba?
Yeah.
Opo. So hungry
Business,
delicious meals. Okay, so come down and we have Hungarian sausage, we have chicken pasil, we have lots of different meals at all affordable prices. And what does it mean to you to be Filipino po?
I think pagiging Pilipino is makatao, matulungin, and then pagiging tapat sa lahat ng bagay.
Salamat po. Last question po. What can you say or what would you like to share about the Philippines to bring more foreigners here po? What would you say to attract more foreigners po?
Like what I said, pakikipag-isa, maging matulungin sa lahat ng bagay.
Salamat po. Salamat for your time.
Thank you.